Good day and welcome to this short tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to sell, how to make a sale. So, as usual, you'll be given an identity and a password. Identity should be for you alone, should not be shared, should not be borrowed or lent out. It is for you alone. So enter your identity here. I'm going to enter the admin and login. Now, once you log in, you see the menu and the store that is assigned to you will show up here. So make sure that your store is not showing another store. Verify that before you do any transaction. The next thing you need to do is to go to sell. Clicking on sale will bring up the sale interface. Now, when you load the sale, you see the POS screen. On the left hand side is where you'll be adding customer notes and then sales item. On the right hand side is where you'll be selecting items you want to sell. Now there are three ways you can add items to this sales list. This is where the list of items you are selling will show up. The first is to select the category if you know the category. So for example, I'm going to select chocolate and it will load like this and bring out all the chocolate items. Now you can simply add items to this sale list by clicking on it. It's going to load again for a second and then that. So I've added two items. You can change the quantity by clicking on this box. Immediately you click on the quantity box, the quantity number will be highlighted. So all you need to do is just enter the quantity that you want to set it to. Let's say 2 for this, and then let's say 3 for this. So immediately I click on that box, it's going to select all the numbers there. I'm going to change it to 3. Now you notice that as we are adding items, the total here is changing, and that is all we need to do to add items. Now there's another way you can add items to this list. The second way is by searching. If you know the name of the item, for example, let me say vanilla. I'm going to type VA here. You click on this box, it will drop down another box. You type the name of the item you're looking for. Just 2 characters is enough to bring out the items, and then you see any items that has VA in it will show up in this list. The list can get a little bit longer, so you now begin to type more characters. You can see we have small vanilla. Let's assume I'm looking for anything that has cup in it. I can simply type cup, and then all the names of items that has cup in it will come up. You can see it brought out only vanilla small cup. So I'm going to click on that. Now the third item, if applicable, is to scan the barcode of the item here. Once you scan the barcode, the item will be shown. You click on it and it will be added here automatically. So I'm not going to add anything else here. Customers, you can add new customer or you can select an existing one. You can also search for customer by name or phone. You can see this is a test site, so we have a lot of customers here. Let's say I'm looking for a customer named Paul. I can simply search for Paul. Now the customers are listed with their phone numbers. So each customer's phone number, of course, is unique to a customer. So we can select Paul there, and then Paul is selected. So in case the customer does not exist, you've searched for it, it's not here, you can click on add, and then it brings up this box for you to type in the name and phone, which is what is required. Every other thing is can be left out. Name and phone number is okay, and then you save it. It will close up this box, and then you can select it from here once it has closed that box up. Now we want to check out. We quickly click on payment down here. It will bring out the payment box. Now payment has been made very easy. You can pay in 3 different ways: cash, card, or transfer. So you make the customer select one, or you have to ask the customer how they are going to be paying. Receive the payment first before you continue with this box. Assuming this person wants to pay 5,000 naira by transfer, I will click on the transfer box and tap on this 5,000 here. Now you can see that the due amount remaining is 2,000. Now, assuming he's paying cash 2,000, I'm going to tap on the cash field and press 2,000. Now, if the number you want to enter is not enough, you can tap on the number several times to to add to the figure that is there. For example, if I want to make this, okay, this is 1,000. So if I want to make it 2,000, I'll select the box again and tap another 1,000 to make it 2,000. So we've entered all the payments. You can enter any sale payment note if there's any need for you to enter any details about that payment that is not a number. And then we click submit. Submitting this now, we submit the sale and close the payment dialog. The payment. You see that the item store has been cleared, total has been reset, and then it will show you item was successfully saved. And then you can now click on print to print the receipt of the item. It will show the receipt like this. You select print again to bring out this print box, and then your printer should be set on default so that it automatically selects the printer here. Let's say I want to use this printer, for example, this one, and then I'm going to just hit on the print button and this will be automatically printed for you. So that is basically how to make a sale. Very easy and straightforward.